Here's how I made this cute tie-dye top using only what you have at home: food coloring, a random t-shirt, and some rubber bands. So let's get started. It's very simple. So grab your t-shirt or t-shirts and submerge them into equal parts water and vinegar and let them soak for 1 hour. After that, wring out your t-shirts and grab your rubber bands. It's time to make the design. You can scrunch up your t-shirt into spirals, into swirls, or just random for a different design. There's no wrong answer at this point. Okay, so at this point, I'm grabbing the food coloring and I'm just kind of winging it. I'm experimenting with different colors. The less drops you put in, the more pastel color you're gonna get, or if you put more drops in, of course, you're gonna get a more bold color. So experiment however you want to get the right color you want for your tie-dye shirt. There's no wrong answer, really. Okay, so now's the actual dyeing of the t-shirt, and right about here, I realized it's not a good idea to have it over there, so I move it over to the pan. Anyway, it would work better if you had a bowl because that just would work better, but I decided I didn't want to use a bowl. I'm using a cup. So anyways, all you want to do is just make sure your shirt gets submerged in the water, your food coloring water, and then basically you just need to let it sit. So soak your shirt in the dye color, and then it's going to sit for a while. So I'm just pouring all the dye on my shirt and staining my fingers in the process. If you have gloves, you should wear gloves. So now I'm grabbing a Ziploc bag and putting my t-shirts into a Ziploc bag to sit for the next 8 hours. You want to make sure there's not a lot of air in these bags. So I'm just pushing all the air out of them and then letting them sit flat. This is my other t-shirt that I did, which I didn't show you because I'm not super proud of it. But anyway, put them in the bag and then they're going to sit for 8 hours. Yep, that's a long time. But the cloth material needs that much time to soak up the color. After 8 hours, you can take your shirts and rinse them with cold water until the water runs clear. Once that's done, you throw them in the dryer and wait for them to dry. Then you can wear them and style them, and hey, you look so cute because you made a tie-dye shirt at home with food coloring. You're welcome. Have a great day, you guys. I hope this was fun.